What's your team going to do?
We're going to bat first.
Any specific thought for that? Given the due, is that what's playing on your mind?
See, the dew is going to remain for throughout the match, so it really doesn't make much of a difference. But then it's a new format, so we rather bat first and see how it goes from there.
Any major changes this year to the Mumbai Heroes team that generally comes in for the CCL every year?
No. We have got the same squad, and no changes whatsoever.
And we won't talk about the selection policies on air. Go well, Varun. Okay, Bala, have you got what you wanted? You might not have won the toss, but would you have preferred to chase?
Absolutely. I feel so blessed. Our team, we were discussing and we actually wanted the chase. And by God's grace, even though I lost the toss, but I think I won the bet.
Well, you already won one match, another one today, and you pretty much say, okay, we'll see whoever comes in the finals then.
See, T10 is all about, I never expected my opening batsman, Prashant, to perform this match because he's new to this format, new to cricket, but it is an unbelievable performance. As I said before, any one batsman or one bowler can make the match, magic can happen.
Well, Prashant lived up to his second name, Alexander. He's vanquished any bowling that came up. Well, go well today, Bala. Varun, all the best. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's what's happened at the toss. The Mumbai Heroes have won the toss. They will be batting first.
It's an important game for strikers and as well as for Mumbai Heroes. And we see the Mumbai Heroes dugout. And with me in the company, Raman. Raman, welcome.
Thank you so much, Sunil. You got Sohail Khan, the owner of Mumbai Heroes, looking on. He's a very, very avid sports enthusiast. But that's the schedule. Of course, we've seen quite a few matches played out today. Bengal beating Chennai by 13, and then the Kerala Strikers getting the better of Karnataka Bulldozers by 9 wickets. A very comprehensive victory.
And the home team, Telugu beat Bengal by 9 wickets. That's a huge margin.
And I thought the dew had a huge role to play in that. The ease with which the Telugu Warriors coasted home, Sunil. I was a little surprised when I heard Varun Badola say that I'm going to bat first. Manoj Tiwari to open the batting. And you can see the color. Remember, Manoj Tiwari till last season was with the Bhojpuri Dabangs, led the side, captained the side, the light blue, the sky blue color. You can see that it's a clear reference to that color and the team that he used to captain and bring to the Celebrity Cricket League.
And that's the leader. Manoj Tiwari is a wonderful cricketer, we all know it. And his partner is Samir Kochar, the host of IPL.
He's a capable batsman as well, likes to open. He's opened before as well.
Raman, we all know that he's a capable anchor, but as a batsman, he needs to prove it.
Well, I've seen him a couple of times, a couple of seasons batting for the Mumbai Heroes. Can pack a punch, but I tell you what, Manoj Tiwari, I completely agree with you. He's got the arsenal to bat and score runs, to bowl and take wickets.
And here we see the familiar faces from the Mumbai Heroes team. The celebrities.
The Mumbai Heroes will be hoping that they get their campaign off to a winning start. Kabir looking on, he's right towards the extreme left looking on, and there's no dearth of glamour. I've said that before, I'll say it again when it comes to the Celebrity Cricket League.
The beautiful women with their teams, supporting their teams. Wonderful.
Lady Luck, will it smile on the Mumbai Heroes? First ball.
Oh, wow. That was a wake-up call for Samir. It's very important. The Lady Luck need to be there with every team. And there is no dearth of Lady Luck with every franchisee with teams.
Well, that's, as they say, one of the givens when it comes to CCL. And this is the CCL T10 Blast that's powered by Bharti Cement. Sameer Kochar on strike. Shafiq has opened the bowling for the Kerala strikers. Another play and miss by Kochar.
That's another dot ball. Sameer shakes his head. Sohail looks a bit worried after 2 balls.
Well, he's a very ardent sports follower. Sohail Khan owns teams across leagues. It's not just restricted to CCL. We saw him in the Super Boxing League as well. So he's a guy who loves sport.
He has another team in Dubai as well, T10, which recently played in the T10 international games. It's called Aquarians. Generally, the Khan's family supports all the sport, which is Sameer. After 4 balls, Sameer looks a bit out of touch. He has a smile.
He's got to get a move on. 4-dot delivery space. It's not even a T20, remember. Now it's a T10.
बॉल बैट पे लगना चाहिए या स्टंप पे लग गए तो बंदा बाहर.
First runs on the board. खाता खुला. समीर कोचर का खाता खुला. मुंबई हीरोज का भी. Well, till last season, remember, you also had a team from Punjab, and that looks like Hans from the. He used to play for the Punjab team till last season. Well, it's a colourful outlet, isn't
Absolutely.
it? The Mumbai. It's a colourful unit, the Mumbai Heroes.
This man on the screen, Manoj Tiwari, very enterprising person, very active person. We see here the Mumbai Heroes dugout and their supporters.
Serious faces, but I tell you what, the smiles will return if Manoj Tiwari's bat starts talking. Oh, too far wide, outside off, another wide call. The tactic is clear. I think they know what Manoj Tiwari can do. Anything around middle or off, or even slightly outside off, he's going to whack it towards long on.
And too full. That's the reason they're adapting the tactics, bowling away from his bat. Because of his body weight, he can't reach the ball.
He's just got to be careful here. At least try and keep it close. Yeah, that's well bowled. Could be a run out here. Yes, there is. Where was Manoj Tiwari going? Well, now he'll have to run back to the dugout because he's been accounted for.
That's the bat start for Mumbai Heroes. Tiwari getting run out. That's the brilliant bowling by Kerala strikers. Bowler on his follow through straight away onto the stumps. Thank you very much.